Hey there, welcome to Gaming Basics. I hope you all are doing well. Today you will learn how to change Clash of Clans email. Before I start this video, be sure to subscribe to this channel and do not forget to click on bell icon. So let's begin. So first of all, go to your Clash of Clan app and click on setting button. Now click on help and support button. And when you do that, click on account button. There's a couple different things that come up. You can click on Supercell ID. You can read the information you want. Now if none of those things help you, scroll down and click on Contact Us button. There is this Message Us button right here. Click on it. What you have to do is click on New Conversation. Click on Supercell ID. If you lost it, you can click Lost Supercell ID, or opt out of Supercell ID, or whatever the case is. Now click on Lost Supercell ID. Now click on Continue button. This is where you type your message. Now type you need to change your email. They will ask you bunch of questions. By the end of conversation, you should be able to change your email. I hope you guys like this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you guys for watching this video, and make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon.